In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to know channel ID on Telegram. We'll keep it straightforward and use Telegram Web in Chrome so you can see the channel ID right in your browser. No extra tools are needed. Just your regular web browser. Start by opening Chrome and navigating to web.telegram.org. This is the official Telegram website. Log in using the on-screen prompts so your chats load in the browser. Once you are signed in, you'll see your chat list on the left and the conversation area on the right. Now, open the channel whose ID you want to find. Channels are the broadcast-style spaces with a megaphone icon, and they look a little different from private chats. Click the channel's name in your list, so its messages appear in the main window. Give it a moment to load fully. Next, look up at the address bar at the top of Chrome Telegram. Web updates this URL dynamically whenever you switch conversations. Focus on the part after the hash symbol, the little hash. In many cases, you'll see a long negative number there. It often starts with -100 and continues with a string of digits, like -1001234567890. That number is the channel ID. Telegram uses this negative integer internally to uniquely identify the channel, which is why it looks different from a friendly name. If you see that long negative number, that's exactly what you are looking for. The minus sign at the beginning is part of the if. And it's normal for channel IDs to be negative. Don't confuse this with a public username. If the URL shows a name with an @ symbol, that's the channel's handle. The numeric channel ID is the negative integer when it appears in the URL. And it's what many tools or settings are expecting when they ask for a channel ID. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.